Hey Sam, so if you want to know how to choose the right product for your affiliate marketing, well, stick around because that's exactly what I'm going to talk about. On my channel, I always release videos on digital marketing and passive income strategies, so consider subscribing. Also, if you want, you can click on the link below to get access to my recession-proof business model that will teach you how to build an online business from the ground up. So don't worry if you have zero experience, because you'll get the best training that will make you the top marketer. Great, let's get to the content. So you're beginning your affiliate marketing journey and you're not sure what to promote. You already chose a niche that you want to be in, but you're not sure what product there is because there's so many different products for a single category, right? Well, the thing is, there is a lot of crap out there and you need to know how to sort the crap, move that aside and choose the gems, right? And of course you already know that, but you're not sure how to do it, right? It's the same thing as doing research for a product that you're going to buy, like a car. You want to buy something that's reliable, that's something that can last long, right? The obvious thing is looking at reviews. There's going to be people that already try to promote that one product, and there's also people that already had experience with it. Look for those reviews, and of course use Google. Google is a really powerful tool. You can look at product name, review, and you'll find a huge list of websites and reviews that people already made about that one product. So weigh it, do pros and cons, and of course if you want to really find out like your own way, see if they have a return policy, purchase that product, go through it yourself, and then you'll become an expert on it and to see whether or not that product is worth it. Because as an affiliate marketer, you don't want to promote crap. If you promote crap, then people will think that everything you promote is going to be crap. They're going to automatically assume that you promote crap just for a quick buck. Of course, you want to avoid that. So really see how valuable that product is. And you also want to promote a product that's always active, right? And you don't want to promote something that doesn't exist anymore, right? Of course, some people just leave their product listing and they don't really even care about that. You want to look for products that the sellers are still active. That's how you know that you're going to get paid if you can make a sale off of their product, right? To make sure if they're a good product, you can always ask them, go to a website and contact the seller. Contact the company that's selling the things that you're trying to promote, right? If that company doesn't respond to you in a timely fashion, then you probably already have your answer. You want companies that return your calls, return your emails, and be able to communicate with you. Be transparent, because you don't want to you don't want to promote something that's fishy and or sketchy, because that will make you as a marketer sketchy too. Now let's move on to what products you should look for as an affiliate marketer. Because you're an affiliate marketer, then you're most likely wanting to make money. And in order for you to make money as an affiliate marketer, that product has to have a value ladder. And what is a value ladder? So when a product has a value ladder, that means that product has multiple upsells. So you want to choose a product that has a value ladder that increases in price, so that as you as a marketer, it's more beneficial because you're going to receive more money, more pay from those upsells. Let's say the program that you're marketing offers more upsells. The next upsell should be maybe $100 a month to unlock this weight loss access, like secrets that gurus on YouTube don't even tell you about. And then maybe the next upsell is a lifetime membership where the buyer can enter master training on how to lose weight quicker. And maybe the next upsell is $10,000 where they can learn how to teach other people how to lose weight or start their own weight loss company if they want to go that route. So now as an affiliate marketer, you know what to look for in a product that you want to promote. Let's talk about where you can find these programs and where you can find these products for you to promote. There are a lot of affiliate networks out there. The most popular one is ClickBank. And then there's JVZoo, there's Digistore 24. Also, there's Warrior Plus. So these affiliate networks all have very good products that you can promote. But if you're in a country where these sites are banned, then the next best thing for you to do is go on Google. Search for your niche and then affiliate programs. Let's say you're doing weight loss. Search for weight loss affiliate programs, or real estate affiliate programs, or even the garden courses affiliate program. Of course, there's a lot of affiliate programs you can look for on Google. If you're limited to Google only or just search engines only, you could always do that. Now for physical products, if you're just starting your affiliate marketing business, then I would suggest you to do affiliate marketing for physical products later, because you really want to build your affiliate system out first before you start marketing these physical tools. Because Amazon, if you don't have enough traffic going to your website to sell items, then they're gonna kick you off. You need to have X amount of sales with your Amazon associates before they can continue letting you in on their program. That's just their rules. Now, let's say you're still in the middle of choosing a niche or a category you wanna market to, right? These are the 3 best ones that are always selling, that will never die out, because there's people that always want to learn how to do these things. These 3 categories are health, wealth, and relationships. People are always going to want to learn how to make money. People are always going to want to learn how to become healthy, and people are always going to want to learn how to spice up their love life or learn about it, right? So now you know how to choose a product, and you want to learn how to earn the big bucks. Then you should watch this link, because I tell you about high ticket marketing. High ticket affiliate marketing is when you're selling products that are over $1,000. High ticket affiliate marketing is where you make a much more significant amount of money and reach your goal of X amount of dollars a month faster, because that's what high ticket is. Basic knowledge is, if you sell something that's low ticket, like let's say an ebook, then you're gonna have to sell to a lot more people before you can reach your goal, as opposed to high ticket where you sell $1,000 items like courses or whatever, or furniture, things like that. It's a lot easier to reach your goal with a lot less buyers. You're marketing to people that are spending a lot more, and you get much bigger amount of commission per sale. All right, so I hope this session was valuable, and if you enjoyed it, please leave a comment down below. And if you want to learn how to do high ticket affiliate marketing yourself, building your own business, then you should learn my strategy by clicking on the link in the description. I'll see you on the other side. Thank you for joining me in this session. I hope you learned some valuable tips and tricks to begin your affiliate marketing career. If you want to find out more about doing affiliate marketing the right way, consider subscribing to the channel. Like the video if you liked it, and hit the bell icon to be notified when I upload a new video. For more tips, be sure to subscribe into my email list and get the 8-step affiliate marketing mastery guide for free. And I'll see you on the other side.